So anyway, Ali, that was your first experience of doing a mock test. I can see the nerves. Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. If you got a driving test coming up, or you just want to know what a driving exam is like, what is the format, how do driving examiners mark, what can make you fail a driving test and what can make you pass, well, this is a video for you. Welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor with many years of driving experience under our belt, talking to driving examiners, talking to our students, and doing mock tests, driving tests, sitting with driving examiners and our students in their driving test. We know exactly what you need in order to pass your driving test. In today's video, we're going to do a driving mock test from a student just like yourself. If you're watching, maybe you've had a few lessons and you just want to know what exactly impresses a driving examiner and what can make you fail. Do watch all the video to the end, and don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School. Also on our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk, you'll see so many tips, so much information on how to pass your theory test and driving test. Go check it out, and if you got like a driving lesson coming up, we show you exactly what would be expected in your driving lessons, what modules will be expected to learn. So go check out fmdrivingschool.co.uk and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. Today we're with one of our students, Ali, and we're gonna do a mock driving test with our student. So Ali, you've had about 30 hours maybe or so?
Yeah, it's roughly
30 hours. So Ali's one of our actually first students that's met us through YouTube, right?
Yeah.
So he actually found us from YouTube and then called us up, took lessons. He's actually the first student to find us from YouTube. So hopefully I was alright for you. Obviously we're decent instructors.
You seemed very good.
So we've had quite a few lessons. It's your first mock test. You're going to see what it's like. It's actually a good level to now have a mock test in order to prepare you for your driving test. Now, in the mock test, Ali, just like the examiner, he's going to say to you, you're going to assume you're going straight unless we tell you otherwise. The test will be up to from 35 to 40 minutes long. You're going to have one maneuver, maybe the emergency stop.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Any questions on the mock test?
Not really. I think we should just go for it.
Okay. So unlike a lesson, Ali, obviously it's your first mock test. Unlike a lesson where I used to help you out, intervene, here we're not going to help you out. We're not going to give you any guidance on what to do. You're going to have to make the calls, if you make a mistake, fix up from it, okay? So my aim as an instructor now is to be an examiner. I'm not going to help you out. Right. Yeah? Clear? So it'll be a bit more difficult. It's a bit more different from having a lesson with myself. Okay? You ready for it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna try. Charlie, just put your seatbelt on. Start the car. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna follow the sat nav. Okay? Let me just get my folder. And that's the end of part 1. Do check out part 2 on our channel FM Driving School, as well as the whole video, and as well as other students doing driving mock tests. Don't forget to check out fmdrivingschool.co.uk for all the latest updates about your driving tests and tips on driving lessons. And guys, last thing is, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.